You just turned 40. You're scrolling through your bank account. Checking has $2,000. Savings has $800. Your retirement account? $12,000. Maybe 15 if you count that old 401k from a job you left 6 years ago. You open a retirement calculator. You plug in your age, your savings, your income. It tells you that to retire at 65 with a modest lifestyle, you should have about 3 times your salary saved by now. If you make $70,000, that's $210,000. You have $15,000. You're not just behind. You're so far behind that catching up feels impossible. So you close the calculator. You tell yourself you'll deal with it later. You push it out of your mind. But here's what nobody tells you. You're not alone. And you're not screwed. You're just out of time to be casual about this. My name is Yaji, and I spend way too much time thinking about why so many people hit 40 with almost nothing saved and what they can actually do in the next 25 years to retire with dignity. If you're someone who's in your late 30s or 40s with little to no retirement savings and you're panicking about whether it's even possible to catch up, or you're feeling ashamed that you're this far behind, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because what I'm about to show you is exactly how to catch up even if you're starting at 40 with nothing. It's not going to be comfortable, but it's absolutely possible if you're willing to do what most people won't. Let's start by killing the biggest lie you're telling yourself, that it's too late. Here's the thing. You've got 25 years until 65. That's 300 months. That's a lot of time for compound interest to work if you actually give it something to compound. According to Vanguard research, someone who starts investing at 40 and contributes aggressively for 25 years can still retire comfortably. They won't have as much as someone who started at 25, but they can absolutely build enough. But here's what most people don't realize. You can't catch up by doing what 25-year-olds do. You can't save 10% and hope it works out. You need to save like your financial life depends on it, because it does. Let me show you the math of what's actually possible. You're 40, you have $0 saved. You make $70,000 a year. If you invest $1,000 per month, that's $12,000 per year, or about 17% of your gross income at a 10% average annual return. Here's what happens. After 10 years at 50, you'll have about $204,000. After 20 years at 60, you'll have about $687,000. After 25 years at 65, you'll have about $1.2 million. You went from 0 at 40 to $1.2 million at 65 by saving $1,000 per month. Using the 4% rule, that's $48,000 per year in retirement income, plus Social Security of about $25,000. You're living on $73,000 a year in retirement. You caught up, completely. Now you might be thinking, Yaji, I can't save $1,000 a month. I'm barely making it now. And I get it. 17% of your income is a lot. But here's where it gets really interesting. You have catch-up contributions available. Once you turn 50, the IRS lets you contribute an extra $7,500 per year to your 401k, on top of the normal limit. Your employer might offer a match. If they match 50% up to 6% of your salary, that's $2,100 free dollars per year. You might get raises over the next 25 years. If your income goes from $70,000 to $90,000, that $1,000 per month becomes easier. And here's the brutal truth. You don't have the luxury of comfortable anymore. Catching up requires sacrifice. Let me tell you about 2 people who both hit 40 with nothing saved. Person 1 panics. They feel ashamed. They avoid thinking about it. They save sporadically. Maybe they put $200 a month in their 401k when they remember to increase it. By 65, they have about $120,000 saved. That's $4,800 per year using the 4% rule. With Social Security, they're living on $30,000 per year in retirement. They're broke. Person 2 gets angry. Not at themselves, at the situation. They decide this is a 5-alarm fire, and they're going to put it out. They cut their lifestyle to the bone. They move to a cheaper apartment. They sell the financed car and buy something cash. They take on a weekend side hustle, making an extra $1,000 per month. They invest every dollar, $1,000 from their main income, $1,000 from the side hustle, $2,000 total per month. By 65, they have $2.4 million. That's $96,000 per year in retirement income. They're comfortable. Same starting point, same age, completely different outcomes. The difference? Intensity. Here's the framework for catching up fast. First, calculate your gap. Figure out how much you need at retirement. A common rule is 10 to 12 times your annual income. If you make $70,000, You need 700,000 to 840,000. Then figure out how much you need to save monthly to hit that number. Use a compound interest calculator. Be realistic about returns. 10% is aggressive but possible with stock index funds. Second, automate maximum contributions. Max out your 401k if possible. In 2026, that's 23,000 per year, or about 1,900 per month. If you can't max it, contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. Third, open a Roth IRA and max it. That's 7,000 per year, or about 583 per month. This gives you tax-free growth and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. Fourth, cut your lifestyle by 20 to 30%. This isn't forever. This is catch-up mode. You're in crisis. Treat it like one. Move to a cheaper place. Sell the car with a payment. Cancel subscriptions. Stop eating out. No vacations for a few years. Every dollar you free up gets invested. Fifth, increase your income aggressively. Ask for raises. Switch jobs for higher pay. Start a side business. Freelance on weekends. Drive for Uber. Sell stuff. You need an extra 1,000 to 2,000 per month. Find it. It's out there. Sixth, invest in low-cost index funds. Don't try to pick stocks. Don't chase crypto. Don't gamble. Put everything in a target date retirement fund or an S&P 500 index fund and don't touch it. Seventh, delay Social Security. If you can work until 70 instead of taking it at 62, your benefit increases by about 77%. That's massive. Here's the psychology you need to understand. You probably feel ashamed that you're 40 with nothing saved. You look at your friends who started earlier and you feel like a failure. Stop. That shame is keeping you stuck. Shame makes you avoid the problem. Shame makes you procrastinate. Shame makes you give up before you start. Replace shame with urgency. This isn't about judging your past. This is about fixing your future. You lost 20 years of compounding. That sucks. But you haven't lost the next 25. Those years are still available. The question isn't, why didn't I start earlier? The question is, what am I going to do with the time I have left? Let me show you what happens if you don't act. You're 65. You have 50,000 saved. Social Security pays you 20,000 per year. You can't afford to retire. You work until 70, until 75, until you physically can't anymore. You spend your retirement broke, stressed, and dependent on others. Every unexpected expense is a crisis. That's the cost of not catching up. That's what happens if you let shame and fear keep you from taking action today. Here's what I want you to do right now. Open your 401k account. Increase your contribution to 15% minimum. 20% if you can. Set it to automatically increase by 1% every year. Open a Roth IRA with Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. Set up automatic monthly contributions. Look at your budget. Find $500 to $1,000 to cut. Redirect it to investments. Find one way to make an extra $500 to $1,000 per month. Start this weekend. Track your net worth monthly. Watch it grow. Let that progress fuel your motivation. This isn't going to be easy. You're going to sacrifice. You're going to miss out on things your friends are doing. You're going to drive an older car and live in a smaller place. But in 25 years, you're going to retire with dignity while they're still working because they never got serious. You can catch up, but only if you start today. Not next month. Not next year. Today. If this video gave you a realistic plan for catching up, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment with your age and how much you currently have saved. Make it real. Make it public. And if you want more aggressive strategies for building wealth fast, check out the next video on the screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.